Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am going to work out the clusters and show you. I have made a few chains. So yarn over and I'm going to do DC clusters, so I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2 rather. Pull up a loop from the third chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert in the next chain, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So now I'm having basically 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets. The first chain 2 is considered as the first incomplete double crochet. Yarn over, pull through all 4 of them. So one cluster is made. And to make the other cluster, you can chain 1 and go over there. That is as per the pattern you need to go about. So this is 4 DC cluster. Similarly, you can work 3 DC cluster. But when you work here, we'll work 4 DC cluster again. 1 in the next chain, 2, 3 and 4. So now when you're working in the middle, you'll have 5 chains on the loop, on the hook. So yarn over, pull through all 5 of them. Second cluster of 4 DCs is made. Similarly, if you're working a treble crochet, yarn over twice and make an incomplete treble crochet till the final 2 chains are left. Like, let me work on you. Yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over 2 times, insert the hook in the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you will not complete the last leg of any stitch that you are making cluster into. Okay, again one more time. So now let us make 3 treble clusters here. So now for 3 treble clusters, you will have 4 loops on the hook. 4 treble clusters, you will have 5 loops on the hook. So yarn over, pull through all 4 of them. This is another cluster made. So this is the way some clusters are made when you're working in the rows as per the pattern demands you'll be making. These clusters can be made into 2 DC cluster, 3 DC cluster, 4 DC cluster, 5 DC clusters, or 2 treble, 3 treble, 4 treble, as many as the pattern demands. And then clusters are also worked when are worked in the round or in the square. What happens is, for ease I'm making this, you need to work the cluster stitch in the same space, like in the same chain. So let me skip this, and here when you're working in the round, you'll be working the cluster. So let me make 4 DC cluster here. I have inserted and pulled up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, again insert the hook in the same stitch, pull through 2, again yarn over, insert in the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull, insert in the same stitch or chain or space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we are having 4 incomplete double crochets and 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. This is also termed as clusters sometimes. Okay, when you're working in the round, the cluster stitches are made in the same space too. Okay, so thank you friends for watching the small video. Hope this has been helpful to you. If you really like it, do click on the like button, do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that we keep uploading videos and the notifications will come to your inbox or to you. So bye friends for now. Have a great day.